and welcome back to the Oven Cook. Today I'm going to be doing a chicken paella. It's a Slimming World inspired meal, which is really tasty. Well, it sounds tasty. And for this we've got 2 chicken breasts, white onion, garlic, some bell pepper and sweet pepper, some chopped tomatoes, got rice, mushrooms, thyme, ground cumin, turmeric, paprika, some fry light oil, tomato puree, some little bit of mixed veg with peas, carrots, and a little bit of pepper in there. And we've got some chicken stock, which is over on the side. So firstly, we get some fry light. Add the onions. Mushrooms, chicken, just add a little water, cover that for about 5 minutes. Add our garlic, teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Let that cook for another 2 minutes. Add the rice. Stir this in so it all gets coated. Chopped tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato puree, peppers, chicken stock, and we'll cover that and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so this is a it's a Slimming World inspired dish, chicken paella. This is a free meal, but I'm going to add chorizo, which is a sin. So obviously you add, if you follow the Slimming World program, you will know that chorizo as a sin. So all you've got to do is add that to your sins and free things. So this would be obviously one of your sins, so otherwise it'd be free. So I'm going to do is add some mixed veg to it. It's just peas and carrots and a little bit of pepper, which is still frozen. Put this on the top. Leave it as is and cook for another 5 minutes, then switch it off. So see you soon. Okay, so this is done. So turn off the heat and we'll let this stand for around about 10 minutes and then we'll be ready to serve. And I'll probably do this with a little bit of salad as well. So we'll let that do its thing and see you soon. Okay, so there we go. Our Slimming World inspired +1 sin paella, chicken paella, with all the goodness, all the mushrooms, rice, chorizo, chicken, garlic, onions, peppers and all that good stuff. All the ingredients will be listed below in the description. Smells really lovely and I've already tasted a bit of the rice and a little bit of chicken and it's really lovely and I'm starving, so I'm going to go and eat this now and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.